Well, this should be an interesting video. So what do we have up for auction here? We have a lot of 4 different Cabela's like dangerous hunt, like hunting games. And we got the rifle. Now the rifle does not come with the Wiimotes. You have to supply your own. Okay, that's like how it's sold. But we're gonna attempt to hook this thing up. So I'm gonna take my Wiimote. I'm gonna take the red band off of here. So this video might go a little long because it's got a little bit of exploration in it. I didn't test this all out ahead of time. And I'm sitting way too close to the TV to even do this. But this is just proof of concept that the whole thing works. And we're going to make it work one way or the other, right? So I need to take... Looks like I need to fish this up through the back of it somehow. I don't know. I got to uncock it like that. Man, this thing's kind of cool. How does this work? Oh, it comes out the bottom. So we're going to fish this down through here, looks like. Okay. We'll pop that in there. Ooh, it snaps in nice. Okay. And then, oh, yeah, then under, this is complicated. Underneath here, you have like a little like kind of battery door. Where it looks like you fish this cord. Oh, gosh. This is something else. I'm really fumbling it here. Into here, I think. This is crazy town. All right, I'm going to put this door back on. Does that look right? Yeah, I think so. And then I have to fish this cord, like a little extra door here, through the top. Oh, don't loop it. Jeez. Tell you what, this is something else. Alright, now I'm going to plug that into my Wemo. I think I got to pull the slack back now, because in that compartment, I think it's going to hold it all. Wow. And then I think I put the excess back in here. Remember, this auction does not come with your Wemo. Just this gun. Alright, now let's test the first game. Dangerous Hunters 2013. It has like some flyer here and the book. It does have the game too. Just 2013. Here we go. Looks decent. I'll turn the volume on the TV. Let's keep the capture card. And this is not going to be easy, because I'm going to have to literally go back like this. Huh. I have to hit the A button up here. I don't know what I'm doing. These same people that made that Resident Evil gun game I was just playing. This probably works with it then. You should pick that up in the action too. Whoops. Well, that's nice. You get to pick your gun type. Let's just do Maneater. Single player. You can do split screen? what I'm doing. It's got the trigger here, obviously, and a trigger down here, so let's see how this goes. Quite the loading time. Quite the loading time in the city.
Round one.
Okay, that's how you reload. Did you guys see any animals? Oh shit, I gotta move around. I think I'd be dead. Oh, you move the thumbstick. Oh, crazy game.
One to go. Round complete.
What the hell? That was terrifying. All right, first game's working. This is not going to be a fun video because I got to test all these games. All right, so that is Dangerous Hunters 2013. And the rifle works, which is pretty cool, actually. All right, let's see. Now let's do 2010, Big Game Hunt. And that has the book and game. Disc looks actually pretty good. A little dusty, kind of. That's weird. All right, let's put that in there. Maybe I'll have an early lunch after this video. I don't have many more videos to shoot today after this, I don't think. That's nice. Nice 4-game lot here. Cabela's interesting stuff, right? All right. Looking for markings on the gun. Keep hitting the buttons. I'm making it do that. Game requires dump truck. Okay, yeah, I have it plugged in. I thought you could detect that. Oh, that's the back.
Welcome to the Order of Orion's membership trials. If you survive the challenges ahead, you'll be a member of the most prestigious...
All right, let's skip.
Okay, Jack. Before we begin the formal trial...
Point screen Wiimote and look around.
Good. One of the criteria on which you'll be graded is your ability to navigate. First, you'll have to find an area where white-tailed deer live.
Press 2 to see objective. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, now it's letting me move. Okay. Press C to crouch. What is C? What button is C? This is gonna be enough to drive me nuts. Too close to TV.
Hey, I found a nice scrape here. Pretty fresh and from a mature buck, I'd say.
Good eye.
I think I'm in the wrong spot. Use hunter sense. Oh boy. And I'm just too close to the TV, guys. That's what the problem is here. Alright, guys, the game works though. That's what we're gonna go with right now because I'm really struggle playing this this close to the TV, and this is requiring too much moving around, if that makes sense. So let's test out the next one. Monster Buck Hunter. Hopefully I don't have to run all over the place again, huh? Check that one. Alright. Monster Buck Hunter. And it does have the book and the game. This game has some scratches on it. It is not perfect, but let's just see as she plays, huh? Compatible with Top Shot and Wii Zapper. I don't know what version that one is or not. Monster Buck Hunter. Testing Wii games is hard. Just saying. Yeah. I don't want to watch all this stuff. Just make sure everything loads up fine and we can play this a little bit. I assume all these games are compatible with this exact type. I think this was made for Buck Hunter stuff. Well, Cabela, this one. Loading. Aim, raising, firearm, aligning the sight. Checking, please wait. This one. Looks like the gun was selectable. That's good news, right? Yeah, they made a lot of different versions of guns for the Wii, so it's very confusing. But the good news is, no matter what, you can always play it with just a nunchuck. You don't have to use a gun. What? What does it say? What does it say the nunchuck? Move. Okay, make sure to switch back. Alright, guys, the game's working. This is a pain. We have one more game to test here, and it's Big Game Hunter. It's just called Cabela's Big Game Hunter. So it must be like the first one of those. Oh yeah, hit eject. Sitting like, where's the disc? All right, Big Game Hunter. We open her up. We do have the game book and game. Whew. This disc definitely has some scratches on it. But we'll see if she plays, huh? If it doesn't work, we'll make it a 3-game lot. Now this one does not have a picture of the gun on the back, so this one might not work with this game. Like, you'll be able to use a nunchuck and Wii controller still. If that makes any sense. But we'll see what happens. I mean, you want to play it this way. This is the cool way. The first 3 seem to play fine that way, though. Licensed by Nintendo. Nintendo. 3 cereals in 1. Game requires a nunchuck. Yes, I have one plugged in. Somewhere in Western Canada. All the fires that keep blowing smoke down here in Minnesota. Checking Wii system memory. New game. Novice. I don't have much memory left in here. It's relaxing music. Instant Hunt. Yes, I'm sure I want to. North America, Montana. Montana. It's funny how they have the globe and they have like America up on top. You can barely see it. It's like showing the southern hemisphere a lot. Or is it? It's rotating a little. I don't know. Oh, okay. So this game, I think, yeah, you're going to use, I have to use this finger here. You can still use the shotgun, but you shoot like with your cocking finger, if that makes sense. Unless you can change it in settings, which you might be able to. But most importantly, guys, the game works. This game just came out before this shotgun was created, I think. Oh, let me hit the mute there. So, what do you get with this auction? You get 4 Cabela games. 3 for sure appear to work perfectly with this shotgun controller, which comes with it. But you get all 4 of these games, and you get this shotgun that does not come with the Wiimote or nunchuck. You have to supply your own. See how I have those in there? But if you have a Wii, you should have them. And it takes a little bit of finagling to put together, but if you watch the video, again, you can see how I did it. It's not too bad. All right, so this is all going up tomorrow, the 13th of August, 2025. We're going to put up for 99 cents because we're crazy, and we'll see what kind of bids we get. And it'll be a 7-day duration. Whatever the price goes for, there's no reserve. It just goes. And you could win or somebody else could win. Matters if you're bidding on it. Make sure to check out my other videos this week. We got a lot of Nintendo stuff going up, and we're always having a good time here on the channel. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day.